Have you ever tried finding your way using nothing but the moon? Tonight, I want to show you how to navigate by moonlight, a skill that's as old as humanity itself. First, let's bust a myth. The moon doesn't rise in the exact same place every night. It shifts about 50 minutes later each day and its path changes with the seasons. But here's the trick. When the moon is full, it rises roughly in the east, it sets in the west, just like the sun. So, if you spot a full moon low on the horizon, you've got a pretty reliable east or west marker. But what if the moon isn't full? That's where it gets interesting. The illuminated side of the moon always points toward the sun. A crescent moon with the horns pointing up, that means the sun is just below the horizon. If you draw an imaginary line through the tips of the crescent and extend it down to the horizon, that's roughly where the sun set or will rise. You can also use the moon's position and phase to estimate the time of night. Waxing moons, growing bigger, are visible in the evening sky. Waning moons, shrinking, show up in the early morning. It's not as precise as a compass, but with a little practice, you'll start to get a feel for direction, even under a blanket of stars. So next time you're out at night, look up. The moon's been guiding travelers for thousands of years. Maybe it can guide you too.